Good morning, student. This is class 6, civics portion, chapter number 2, diversity and discrimination, page number 205, gender inequality. Gender inequality means that men and women are treated differently. Gender inequality means in a society, a man and woman to treat them in equal differentiation. In equal differentiate means a woman, we have to stereotype thinking. A man going to outside the house to work and a woman do every household work in the home. It's our stereotype images and we treated them into an unequal distribution. For a long time in most of the society, the males have been considered superior to the females. And this was very true because in our society manner, we assume to or we consider to be man is a superior and woman is a very emotion created personality. Boys have traditionally been given preference over girl. These are some of the way boys are given preference. It's my neighboring system. We tell you one thing. We saw many times those house, a girl child and a boy child treated unequal. Their care, their love, care, and superiority means एक सोसाइटी में गर्ल को और बॉय को, मैन को, वुमेन को अलग अलग टाइप में देखा गया, अनइक्वल तरीके से देखा गया है. बट आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से दैट एवरी सिटीजन आर इक्वल. But in a society, no matter at this, the men are superior and women are weaker section. So it's gender inequality. So these are some of the way boy are given preference. So what's the way? More love and care at home. A boy child get more care, more love at home. Given better diet behalf of or expect of girl child. Provided higher education. A boy child, their dream, their opinion is superior, is more effective in the home. They want to become a doctor, they want to become an engineer. The parents and the family members are taken off the whole dream. But a girl child want to go to school at higher education, it's say no more go to school. That's enough of your education. Because we have no financial power to give you higher education. So they take a decision to go higher education only a boy child in a home. हम देखते हैं आपके घर में नहीं होता होगा बेटा, बट कई फैमिलीज में आज भी ऐसा होता है कि गर्ल चाइल्ड को हायर एजुकेशन के लिए बाहर जाने नहीं दिया जाता, बट बॉय चाइल्ड को वो चाहे कुछ भी बनना चाहे उसके लिए हर चीज, एवरीथिंग, एवरी नीडेड behind their dreams, a parent stand on that. Allowed to go to out and take up employment. Most of our houses, क्या दिखता है हम कि बहुत सारे घर ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे आज भी women not to allow go outside the home for work, for their occupation, for their employment. Step taken by the government. So first we complete this paragraph. Even in job, there is a disparity between the wages of man and woman. Yes, it is true. It is example behind us. Construction site. A construction site, man and woman both the work, but wages of the man higher than the woman. Equal timing, equal work, equal job, equal employment, but the wages are not same, unequal distribution. Men get paid more than women for the same job. This led to the large-scale inequality between girls and boys in our society. Right? Lot of laws are being made to ensure that this gender bias is removed and both men and women get equal treatment in the society. The government held many types of programs to get equal opportunity to girl, child or a woman in a society. They make equal wages for equal work. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign, health programs for women, Sukanya Samriddhi schemes. There were many programs, but in each and every program does not change every mind in a society. नहीं चेंज कर पा रहे हैं. आज भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं ये जेंडर इनइक्वालिटीज की. Economic inequality. Economic inequality is bound to exist in every society. We see many society in a many community group. Some people are rich, some people are poor, some people are middle section, middle class. So in economic equality, we found everywhere, every country, every part of the world. People have different mental and physical capability and talents and can contribute differently in a various economic activity. For their ability, for their talent, about their skills, they get more opportunity, they get more chances to high economic value. Thus, their income are at the different levels and there are inequalities. Some person are very talented, some are very weak, some are okay, sufficient talent. So their talent, their ability, their skills depend on their economic value. However, it is to be noted that these inequality widen over a period of time due to following. So in this economic inequality वाइडन ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम बढ़ती जा रही है. डिफरेंस जो गैप है इकोनॉमिक इनइक्वालिटी का जो सोसाइटी में गैप हो चुका है, पुअर आर वेरी पुअर, रिचर आर बिगिन टू वेरी रिचर. सो ये जो डिफरेंस है ये बढ़ता जा रहा है, फैलता जा रहा है. बट क्यों? चिल्ड्रन ऑफ रिचर पीपल गेट बेटर क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन. यस, बिकॉज द रिचर सेक्शन है, उनके जो चिल्ड्रन है वो बेटर एजुकेशन क्वालिटी एक्सेप्ट करते हैं बिकॉज दे हैव अ वेरी गुड फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन. एंड द पुअर सेक्शन ऑफ चिल्ड्रन, दे वांट टू गो टू स्कूल, दे वांट टू become a doctor, any occupation, but they didn't do it. Why? Because they have no financial power, they have no finance, they have no economic condition. They get more nourishing food. A richer section of a people, every member of that family to get more nourishment food, a square meal. But in a poor section, they have not get enough food for 2 times of square meal. Enjoy better health and get better medical treatment when required. Yes, we have to finance, we have to money. We go to a private hospital to take more care in our health facilities. They get better opportunities. Yes. The richer section or a rich person, children, get more opportunity, a better opportunity for their contract basis, for their relatives basis, for their financial basis, because they get to the higher education quality purpose, they have degrees for higher educations, so they become a part of a new opportunity, better opportunity, except the lower section of children. Such advantage give them an edge over the other in getting high paying job. High paying job. Period of time, the economic gaps between the various people widen and this brings inequality and despair. So इतनी सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज के बाद एक अच्छी खासी जॉब का मिल जाना और एक अच्छी खासी सैलरी का हो जाना, तो क्या देखते हैं हम, इन अ चाइल्ड मैनर वी हैव टू फॉलो मैनी inequality in a society. They considered, richer section children considered a more opportunity, best quality of food, best quality of health treatment, best quality of education. So the difference in poor section and richer section is to be wide. The government constantly makes efforts to ensure economic equality for everyone. So government, every time government makes sure to make a policy or make a program to consider the whole citizen are equal. Those who are deprived of opportunities in education, good health and money are cared for and given additional support so that the economic inequality does not widen and the economically weaker section get a fair support to their living. However, despite all their efforts, economic inequality does remain in a society. So government work every step on the society. जो deprived section है, जो poor section of group है, government pay the contribution in our society to balance the economic inequality. For example, in a poor section of society, children, government gave them to the reservation, scholarship, any types of education programs, basic health facilities to free of cost. Government make a program on a free coaching pattern. So these types of programs to get a fair support for their living, for the get to the support for the better opportunity, and despite all their efforts, economic inequality does remain in a society. Fundamental rights against discrimination. I think that's all today. And our rest of the chapter, fundamental rights against discrimination, we discuss about in our next video. So thank you, student.